So since we're out here anyway, seemed appropriate to do a book review. So first one I want to take a look at is going to be Creek Stewart's Pocket Field Guide to Survival Knots. Now, if you don't know who Creek Stewart is, he's a big guru when it comes to survival. He's got several books out, TV shows, survival school. It's a lot like Dave Canterbury. Now, this one is a pretty small book. You know, this is something that you could put into a large pocket, say like on a pair of khaki pants, something like that. Throw in your book. So it's pretty detailed, you know, got some really good knots and stuff in here, good illustrations, explanation of what you would use these knots for. Picked it up for $6 off Amazon. There's several more that I plan on getting a hold of him, getting a hold of his books and taking a good look at them. I'd recommend this. I'm just now learning to tie some of these knots. Some of these knots can be a pain in the butt if you don't have good illustrations. This book has good illustrations. Now the second one I picked up is more synonymous with bushcraft, stuff like that. This is Dave Canterbury's. This sold really well for the New York Times. This one is not so much on illustrations. There's some in there, but it's more as a reference book. If you have never, ever watched any YouTube videos, this is a great book to give you a starting point. If you match YouTube bushcraft videos up with this book, then you start to really put the picture together on what it is that Dave Canterbury is talking about in this book. This covers everything from basic tool care to very basic, you know, survival techniques, camping techniques, you know, things like that. So this was definitely well worth the money. There's another one out for the more advanced, so I will be taking a look at that one as well. But something I do want to point out, if you're going to be out here for a while and you're filming and stuff, the Rad Power Bank, this is the largest one that gets like 36,000 milliamps or something, or millihours or something of that nature. It's the largest ones they sell. It works great. Takes about 8 hours to charge up, but man, it takes forever to drain that power bank. But you guys, if there's some books that you guys would recommend me getting for a beginner, let me know. I'll leave a link in the comments, or the name of the book in the comments, so I can check it out. I'm always interested in trying out new things, and hope you guys enjoy the book reviews.